All right, just want to show you guys a screen protector that I got from my 2021 Ford Raptor. It's got a matte finish on it. Takes it from the glossy to the matte finish, which is really nice, kind of a better look in my opinion. It also shows fingerprints less, so you know, that's a plus. Saw this this screen protector on the Backroad Driver YouTube account, and it's from the ocdplug.com, so I'll put some links down there. But as you can see, just way better look than that gloss. And I'll show you a picture of what it looked like before, but didn't take any before video.